been a lot of talk in the press about longer, heavier vehicles, LHVs. So we're now going to show you what it's like to walk alongside a 25.25 metre long Scandinavian rig, the kind of LHV that people are talking about. Let's start off by taking a look at the truck. There you have it. That's a Scania R500 6x2 Euro 5 top line, and it's connected in this combination with a short A trailer. This is a B double in fact, as opposed to the normal Scandinavian rig. Now let's close in and take a look at that bogie. What you've got there is a tandem axle cluster, and over the top of it is the standard fifth wheel, and it's connected to this normal 13.6 metre long triaxle trailer. Slowly but surely we're getting to the end of our longer, heavier vehicle. 25.25 metres. Imagine just two 16.5 metre long Arctics, so it's shorter than those, takes up less road space. And there you have your Scandinavian B double.